Good afternoon. Hi, tutor and companions. My name is Luis Alfonso Troches. I am 28 years old. I live in Pradera Valle. Program Mathematics degrees una Palmira. My family is composed of my father, my mother, and 4 brothers and 3 nephews. Effects of technologies on the environment. In my opinion, industrialization and technological progress have been negatively affecting the environment. Among the effects we can mention the modifications the ecosystems, pollution, deforestation, and loss the ecological balance. Likewise, he believed that environmental pollution is increasing as a result constrains the new public world. Many operations and bad recycling practices that have been granted solid waste. How do you see the future in our planet? According to these levels of consumption, he believed that its current trends continue. Global warming, environmental pollution, land degradation, economic growth, and rapid urbanization will have an impact on the scarcity of natural resources, causing poverty in the countries that are in development. How to mitigate the environmental damage? It is necessary that the United Nations and governments take measures to stop the environmental crisis. Therefore, it recommends adopting new climate policies, measures and policies that achieve and technologies that respect the environment, which would make sustainable development more responsibility. Thank you very much.